हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. Which of the following statements is incorrect for anode rays? Option A, they are deflected by electric and magnetic fields. Option B, they are E by M, means charge by mass ratio depends on the gas in the discharge tube to produce the anode rays. The E by M ratio of anode rays is constant. And the last option is they are produced by the ionization of the gas in the discharge tube. So for this question, the key concept is anode rays. And anode rays are also known as canal rays. They are also called as canal rays or positive rays. ठीक है. So there is an important experiment related to anode ray experiment. So basically इस question वो उस experiment से related है. Now let's look at that experiment. In anode ray experiment we have a discharge tube. Suppose ये हमारा discharge tube है. Suppose this is the discharge tube. और हमारे पास दो इलेक्ट्रोड है. Here we have anode and here we have cathode. So this one is cathode. और पूरे डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब में हमने एक गैस फिल अप कर दिया. इस filled with some gas. Suppose this is the gas and gas may be different gas हो सकता है. Suppose we have taken hydrogen gas. हाइड्रोजन के गैस के अलावा भी कोई भी गैस हो सकता है. Now between electrode and cathode a potential is applied. तो पोटेंशियल अप्लाई करने के लिए दोनों को हमें वायर से कनेक्ट करना होगा. So they are connected. Potential applied is very high. For example, 1000 volt. High potential is applied. On applying high potential, it is noticed that the hydrogen gas or any other gas present in the discharge tube ionizes. As a result, some rays are generated. So these are nothing but anode rays. So anode rays are actually beams of particle masses that moves in a direction opposite to cathode rays. सो फॉर योर सिंप्लिसिटी इस एक्सपेरिमेंट होल एक्सपेरिमेंट को मैं एक बार और सिंपली बता देता हूँ। हमारे पास एक डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब है, डिस्चार्ज ट्यूब में हम एक गैस फिल किया, फॉर इंस्टेंस हाइड्रोजन फिलअप किया। उसके बाद a potential high potential is applied between anode and cathode. So due to this potential applied, the gases inside the discharge tube ionizes, and as a result some rays are produced whose direction is opposite to that of cathode rays, and those rays are given the name of anode rays. So anode rays are basically positive rays, and they have certain masses. और एनोड रेज एक्सपेरिमेंट में जो एक्सपेरिमेंटल डाटा या ऑब्जर्वेशन पाया गया है वो देखा गया कि द स्मॉलेस्ट मास, बहुत सारे रेज निकला है, द स्मॉलेस्ट मास दैट इज ऑब्टेन इज 1840 टाइम्स एज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन। ठीक है, जब हम हाइड्रोजन यूज करेंगे तब जो स्मॉलेस्ट मास होगा इट इज 1840 टाइम्स एज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन। दिस इज द केस फॉर हाइड्रोजन एटम, हाइड्रोजन गैस, and it is also observed that the rays are having charges different on different ions. So different rays have different charges different on different ions. So इस क्वेश्चन के लिए इतना इंफॉर्मेशन काफी था। अब देखते हैं ऑप्शंस। So the first option is they are deflected by electric and magnetic field. अभी मैं बोला हूँ कि different charges on different ions, मतलब क्या, anode rays are charged particles and we know that charged particles are deflected by electric and magnetic fields. So the first option is correct. Now moving to the second option, their charge by mass ratio depends on the gas in the discharge tube used to produce the anode rays. ये भी correct option है, because एक पॉइंट जो मैंने लिखाया है वो है कि स्मॉलेस्ट मास इज 1840 टाइम्स एज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन। एक कब होगा, अगर हाइड्रोजन गैस हम यूज करेंगे, फॉर इंस्टेंस वी यूज नाइट्रोजन गैस, एंड इन दैट केस द मासेस विल बी डिफरेंट। So yes, the option B is also correct. Now moving to the third option, the charge by mass ratio of anode rays is constant. नहीं, ये गलत है। हमें पता है कि डिफरेंट रेज के ऊपर डिफरेंट चार्ज बाय मास रेशियो होता है। Why? Because the mass is different and also the charge is also different. So the option C is incorrect and it will be our answer. Option C is the answer. Why? Because charge to mass ratio is different for different anode rays. Fourth option भी देख लेते हैं। They are produced by the ionization of the gas in the discharge tube, which is correct. तो discharge tube में हम क्या करते हैं, कोई भी गैस रखते हैं and a high potential is applied between the anode and cathode, due to which the gas ionizes. As a result, we get anode rays. So actually anode rays are produced by the ionization of gas in the discharge tube. Hence option D is also correct. So the option C will be the correct answer. ठीक है, hope you all understood it well. Best of luck.